Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to check if your Poco F7 Pro is original or fake. Now to do that, I have a few codes to check if our Poco phone is original or fake. Now as you can see, these are the codes to check if your Poco phone is original or fake. Now if all these codes work on your smartphone, then your Poco phone is original. And once you have done that, just go to your home screen and open the dialer app. From here, just dial *#*# 64663 #*#. Now from here, you can test the hardware of your smartphone. For an example, you can test the touch panel of your smartphone. And once you have done that, just go back, and from here you can test the other hardware of your smartphone. And if you tap on software version, you can find the IMEI numbers of your smartphone. From here, just compare the IMEI numbers on the screen to the IMEI numbers which is given on your smartphone's box, and make sure they are both the same. And once you have done that, just go to your home screen and open the web browser app on your smartphone. From here, in the search bar, just search Mi Global. Now just open the Xiaomi Global website. From here, just scroll down and tap on Customer Support. From here, as you can see, there are many countries supported. Just scroll down and select your country. Now from here, as you can see, there are many ways to connect with Xiaomi's customer support. And you can connect with Xiaomi's customer support through the chat service or through the email support. And also you can connect with the Xiaomi customer service with their phone number. Now just select the chat service. If the chat service is not available in your country, just select the email support or the phone number. From here, just scroll down. Now from here, just tap on live chat. Now just tap on yes. From here, just enter your email address. Now once you enter your email address, just tap on submit. From here, just type warranty status. Now just wait for a few seconds for the Xiaomi customer service to reply. Now as you can see, they have replied, "Welcome to the Xiaomi customer service." Now as you can see, they are asking us to share our IMEI number. Now to do that, just go to your home screen and open the dialer app. Now just dial *#06#. Now from here, just tap and hold on the IMEI number and tap on the three dots over here. Now just tap on copy. From here, just go back to the web browser app and paste the copied IMEI number over here. Now just wait for a few seconds for the Xiaomi customer service to reply. Now as you can see, they are asking us to wait for a few seconds for them to check our smartphone's specifications. Now as you can see, they have replied. Now as you can see, this is the IMEI number of our smartphone, and below the IMEI number you can find your smartphone's details. Now as you can see, I'm currently using the Poco C75 to record this video. Now from here, just check if the specifications given are identical with your smartphone. Now from here, just check the warranty start date and the warranty end date. And from here, also check the activation date. And this is how you can check if your Poco F7 Pro is original or fake. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.